Hi, this is Paul with DKC Knives with another exciting new model. This is the DKC 593. We call it our Sunfish, and with the mouth open, you can see the mouth open on it. This is all beautiful brass detailing, brass spine on here. This is all a beautiful bone handle in here. You can see the beautiful etching that's in here. This is all a Damascus blade with a nice beautiful brass pin, extremely sharp blade. This comes in at about total of 7.5 inches, and the blade is approximately 3.5 inches. So a gorgeous knife. And again, this is the DKC 593, the one with the mouth open. And then I'm going to show you in the same video the sister fish. This is the DKC 594. This is with the mouth closed. A little different shape, a little different fin style, and definitely on the collector's list here. Again, beautiful Damascus blade. You can see the full patterning. All these are handmade. And what I want you to see, by the way, is this is the one with the mouth closed, and I'm going to see if I can hold up the other one with the mouth open. Can you see the difference between the two? One's got a different tail on it and some different detailing. So they are really two different knives, but they're in the same family. So the one with the mouth open, again, is the DKC 593, and we call this the Sunfish with the mouth open. And this is the DKC 594 with the mouth closed. So beautiful collector's piece. Anybody who's into any type of fishing, sure to make a great addition to a collection, and a beautiful gift. And again, all handmade from DKC Knives, and you can find us at dkcknives.com and check those out. So those are two beautiful new knives. Thank you so much.